Envisioneer frames walls following the rules you set under Settings, Building Locations. Each wall is framed to match the framing options set here. If you want a single wall or an opening to be framed in a different way, for example, an opening with a larger header or a wall with blocking to accommodate cabinets hung on the wall, you can evoke framing mode to custom frame individual walls, openings, and corners. To switch to framing mode, select View, Framing Mode On/Off, or click on the Framing toolbar. Framing mode is a special display mode where individual walls, openings, and intersections are displayed as glass boxes for ease of identification and selection. In this mode, you can edit the framing configurations for individual wall openings and intersections. Clicking on a wall lets you define a new infill configuration for that wall. Clicking on an opening lets you select the opening span table to be used for framing that opening, or define a custom head sill jamb configuration. Clicking on an intersection lets you select the intersection framing configuration that you want to use on the intersection. For example, select a wall and then right-click and select Properties. The Edit Infill dialog box appears. The infill of the wall, how the studs and top plates will be aligned, can either refer to the information set in the Building Locations dialog box, or you can use a custom infill. Select Use Custom Infill and then select the Custom Configuration button. The Wall Infill Library dialog box opens and displays a variety of wall framing options. You can select an alternative framing option for the wall and then click OK. In the Edit Infill dialog box, you can also alter where to start the first stud in the wall or change the head sill jamb table for that wall by selecting an alternative span table. To exit framing mode, select the Framing Mode On/Off tool or the button again. I hope that makes your work easier.